Namaskaram everybody. So today is a very beautiful shloka which is very popularly known as Durga Sapta Shloki. This hymn is very powerful. It is dedicated to goddess Durga, who is composed or form in which she has all the three powers of Mahasaraswati, Mahalakshmi and Mahakali. So she has triple power. She also controls all the three gunas, the sattva, rajas, tamas, which is there all over the cosmos, and therefore there is nothing in the world which is impossible for her to accomplish. So she is the Shakti or the power behind all the devatas, and she is the prime cause of the creation, maintenance and destruction of the universe. So every little thing and every major thing or any work which we see as having been done or accomplished or completed is a form of this Devi. Therefore, we cannot imagine a situation wherein there is something which is happening without the contribution or without the presence of Devi Durga. So there is a very famous Purana written by sage Markandeya, which is called as the Markandeya Purana, and it has in a description about the Mahima or the significance of the Devi in all her forms. So this Sapta Shloki is a miniature of that particular hymn composed by sage Markandeya, which is 700 shlokas long. So here, for the convenience of people like us who are always busy in our day-to-day routines, Sapta Shloki gives the same results or the same effect of having chanted the entire 700 shloka hymn. Beautiful. So let us begin. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Guru Charanarvindabhyam Namaha, Namo Namah Shri Guru Padukabhyam, Shri Durga Devye Namo Namaha. And I dedicate this shloka, this chant, to my favorite goddess, Devi Tripura, again who is a form of Durga Devi itself. We generally do dhyana or meditate on Durga Devi with 4 bhujas, Chaturbhuja or Ashtadasha bhuja or 18 arms. So she is that powerful. She has all the arms, weapons, astra, shastras to conquer all the negativity is present in the universe. So there is nothing which she cannot achieve. अथ दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी ओम अस्य श्री दुर्गा सप्तश्लोकी महामंत्रस्य नारायण ऋषिः अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः श्री महाकाली महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती त्रिगुणात्मिका स्वरूपिणी श्री जगदम्बा प्रीत्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः। ओम ज्ञानिनामपि चेतांसि देवी भगवती हि सा बलादाकृष्य मोहाय महामाया प्रयच्छति दुर्गे स्मृता हरसभीतिमशेषजन्तोः स्वस्थैः स्मृता मतीव शुभां ददासि दारिद्र्यदुःखभयहारिणे का त्वदन्या सर्वोपकारकरणाय सदा आर्द्रचित्ता सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शरणागतदीनार्थपरित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभिस्त्राहिनो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तुते रोगानशेषां नपहंसि तुष्टा रुष्टा तु कामान् सकलान्नभीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिताः श्रयतां प्रयान्ति सर्वा बाधा प्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनं सर्वाबाधाप्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यम् अस्मद्वैरिविनाशनम्। श्रीदुर्गादेव्यै नमो नमः। नमस्कार।